These are some of the qualities that we should look. Any politician who brings a religious issue before you in the church or in the mosque or anywhere else, I don't think that one deserves your leadership or your support. I will continue to give examples of my life in politics and as far as religion is concerned. I was elected a governor. I had my deputy, he's a Christian. And suddenly, without any expectation, I was made vice president. The Constitution says a deputy should take over from me or should be sworn in as governor. Then my Muslim brothers said, no, because you are a Muslim and because you are a Fulani, your successor must be a Muslim and must be a Fulani. I said, that's not what the Constitution says. And we went from trial court up to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court said, I was right. And therefore, that deputy who succeeded me is today here, Boni Haruna, for 8 years. There cannot be a better example than that, as far as I am concerned. I don't see your faith to protect the interests of all Nigerians, irrespective of their ethnicity or religion. You can trust me and go to bed. So, I want to thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. It's a wonderful opportunity. I don't think I have addressed a Christian congregation like this. So I want to thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to listen to us. I pledge that I will restore security in this country. I swear to Almighty God, I will do it. And I can do it.
Sure.
All what you need to is have a leadership that has the capacity to do it. And I have the capacity to do it. And I also want to pledge before you that there will be fairness in representation in every aspect of governance. I want to caution you. Anybody who comes to start talking to you about religion in politics, don't trust that person. No, I don't advise you to trust that person. So I want to thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. May God bless all of you. Amen. May God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Amen. May God unite us. May God bring back unity, peace, and prosperity in our land. Amen. So, as religious leaders, I ask you to pray for us. God bless you all. Thank you.